like a Hellcat.
Hello! Sira yata. Ewan ko nangyari sa kanya. Anyway. Hello, good evening, and we're back. I'm back. Dito ulit ako sa channel ko. And I have here for you guys, I have different kind of seeds. I'm gonna plant, and I'm gonna make a small garden, and I'm gonna call it a green garden. Green garden. I like naman. Well, I have here Chinese radish. Yeah. And this is, you see? No, hindi nyo makikita yan. And I have here another one. Yeah. Salvia. Well, lagi siyang natatawag na lavender sage. And here is, I have here another one. Red lettuce. Dahil masarap ang salad at favorite ko salad. So, that's why bumili ako ng red lettuce. Tatanim ko yan. And I have here also papaya. Yeah. Maliliit lang tong bunga niya, pero I'm sure matamis. Mas matamis kesa sa'yo. Charot. And I have here also cauliflower, since I love this plant. I love this vegetable. But masarap talaga siya. Lagay sa mga steak. Gawing butter lang. Lalagyan mo lang ng butter. Yan. And so, charot lang. And I have here, improvise na muna, since hindi pa ako nakabili ng pot na para dito. Gabi na kasi, kakauwi ko lang. And here I have this empty mineral, and I'm gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna put some small hole, so I could use for this. Tapos pag tumubo na siya, saka ko siya ililipat. Mga 1 week, okay na yun. Or more. So, watch out guys. Papakita kasi nyo hanggang sa lumaki siya. And hanggang sa mag-harvest ako. And that's all for now. Watch out for the next video. Bye!